Alright, gonna do some more chess tactics. Let's see, this one looks familiar. I'm thinking bishop check. Now, he has to come back. And we could come here, bishop check. And that wouldn't work because he takes our queen, but then we could just do bishop check now and win his queen. Or even, let's see, mate him. As he comes up again, then we just mate him here. So, bishop check, king here, bishop, king back, queen checkmate. Yeah, there's thousands of problems on this site, but I have seen that one before, so that's why that was so quick. This looks like queen takes bishop, doesn't it? That's pretty straightforward. And what else are you gonna do here? I guess it's just the follow-up that counts. I guess rook here first is also an option, but then you give him options like knight check. So we can't quite take it, can we? Because then he has queen check for the mate. So rook here is not good. I don't think. So queen takes. Maybe we'll just do queen takes first and see what happens. Let's see. Anything else? Any way to win a piece? Or what? This queen check is pretty bad. Yeah, it's gotta be right. Now we have rook here because knight check fails to just queen takes knight, and he could trade down at that point, but I like our chances in that endgame. But there's got to be something a little better, maybe. No, it is probably just rook knight check. Rook takes, because then we block. That way we don't give him a chance to trade, and he's toast. Yeah, he has to take. Okay. Let's see. So first inclination is just to go queen this pawn. Push it. Bishop can't take because we take his rook. Rook could take. No, because he's in check. Rook can't take. So nothing can really take, right? He has to play rook. Rook takes rook. And do we get a knight here maybe and just mate him somehow? No. And then he comes here. And then yeah. So we get a queen, and then I don't know, because he's ready to queen this. It might not be the best option. Maybe there's just a mate somewhere. Maybe rook here. There's a lot of options, so it's tricky. Check, king here, and now knight checkmate. Looks good, doesn't it? Yeah, so check, king here, knight checkmate. Okay. A lot of stuff going on here, isn't there? I normally look at rook sacks, but that doesn't seem to be going anywhere. Knight clears this diagonal to take the bishop, but it's covered by a knight, so that doesn't look good. This fork doesn't work because the bishop's covering it, you know. Looks tough for black. Let's see. Maybe we could threaten mate with this knight somehow. Okay, very tough problem. The problem is this square is not covered, so any kind of tricks with the bishop check and the rook mating here fail to just the king comes here. So what if we did knight takes, bishop check. Now king here, he doesn't have any real interpose because we've taken this knight, queen can't really block, rook can't block because we take it with the bishop. So king here, and then then when rook check, king here, and we win his queen. I'm starting to like this, but is it more forceful to do it with the check maybe? Yeah, I'm really liking this. Okay, because we eliminate this defender. He almost has to take our queen. Bishop takes. There's no interpose. And no good interpose. And then what? We've won our queen back, and we've won 2 pieces. And you might win our knight at the end, but we've at least won the piece. And that's probably all you need to see it in these. If you win a piece, you've got this game. Let's see. Bam. Alright, let's go for it. Okay, so he just took because he saw that bishop takes was the worst poison. Now let's see, is there anything better than just queen takes bishop? Nah. So we won the piece in the game. Okay. So if we come here, this is like an obvious quick little threat. He's got this check and it just looks pretty bad. So look at this queen here, threatens mate immediately and forks three pieces. Check. Well, we're hitting all 3 of these. It just seems like the right move. We just win the rook straight up because he doesn't have a check here, does he? Because this bishop stops, so he can't play rook takes bishop, which might be the obvious move because we just made him. So he's got to move his knight, or even play like bishop here would probably be his best move, and then we take his rook. Rook can't interpose anything, so that's the move. Okay, so he plays knight here. That's his best option, and now always want to look if there's something else, but just winning this rook is probably good. Let's wait 1 sec because he's got knight check. Does that help him? Nah. Wait. If knight check and we come here and he plays queen check, it's kind of dicey, but if he can't mate, we definitely win the game. So we take the rook and just, I don't think he can mate us. Knight check. It's not like we have much else to do anyway. And then king up. Yeah, black's got some chances here, but I don't think he's gonna mate, and so we win. Okay, look, this sack just looks too obvious. Or just queen here first. No, because the bishop's hanging. So, sack, check, king back. You know what's good at this point? And queen check maybe. No. No. That would be cool if that was the answer. Okay. Think a little more clearly on this. The sack's just begging to be played either way. How about rook check? If king takes... Nah, it doesn't look good either, does it? We just sack 2 pieces. King, oh, king can't take because then we play queen take. Bishop takes though. And there's just ooh, look at that. Queen check his mate. That's cool. Wow. Okay. Sacking 2 pieces is always incredibly risky, though. Unless you definitely see that mate very clearly in your head, you shouldn't do it. So, let's check it. Bishop check. He could put his king here. Then what? Then maybe rook here still works. We're threatening all sorts of mates. So we'll look at the more obvious king takes clearly, and then rook check. If king takes, then queen takes bishop, king up, pawn check, king here. Maybe the knight finally finishes it. That's quite a finish. He still has here, but there's most likely a mate. I know that's probably not a good way to go about it, but yeah, we should see it clearly before we do it. Let's just see if there's any other starting move to get the. I mean, this bishop sack gets a lot of tactics rolling. There's not much else. Ooh, you know, I just see a much better mate here. Okay, queen takes bishop, and now the rook slides over, delivering a double checkmate. Okay, so bishop check does not work, even though all those tactics did look interesting. This is just it right here. It's very simple. Because double checks can't be stopped unless the king can move somewhere. Okay, I think I'll end it there.